Hi guys, we're going to do our next project. And what is it going to take? A hot glue gun, a vase bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree, and flowers I got from the dollar store, guys. And this little styrofoam, some rocks, and some spray paint. Let me get my gold spray paint. Let me get my gold spray paint. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Gotta find the right one. Gold. Gold. Where's my gold? That's silver. That's that color. Where's my gold? Here we go. And this, guys. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take the hot glue and put it all around here. And we're going to let it dry. And then, is my hot glue hot? Come on, hold my gun. I always do this. See? Okay, let me get my hot glue gun to working right. Come on, hot glue gun. Why are you doing this to me? When I get on camera, why are you doing me like that, baby? Something is jammed. I hate when I do that. So I got to push it through. It's probably time for me to get a new glue gun. So I got to find something to push it through. I normally use a pen. Let's see. What do I have hard to push it through? Let me try the back of this spoon. Too wide. Right when I'm thinking I'm ready and I'm not ready. Oh no. Let's see if this will fit. Nope. So this, nope. Oh wow. I'll come back, guys. Okay, guys, there it go. I had to take a little convincing. So I'm just taking a little hot glue gun and putting it in little circles. We're going to let it dry like that. So, yes. We're taking it and we're putting it around in little circles. Where's that little thing at? Where's the other stick? So we're taking it, guys. If you guys can see, we're taking it around in little circles. I think it's running. I don't think I'm doing it as good as the lady doing it. So take your time because we want it to be like drops. Hers was looking like drops. So, yeah, you want it to be like drops. So we want it to be like drops. So take your time. Drops. And this is really scary because this is glass. Be careful. Gotta be careful. Because my glass is kind of already cracked a little bit. So if you guys see, I'm just taking it around. Hold on, let's see. Oh, Jesus. Okay. That's the end of this. I could have got cut. Okay, that's the end of this. Okay, guys. So let me say this. First of all, everything that can go wrong went wrong. You guys seen live, the glass broke. So I decided, when I looked at the Gorilla Glue, they said the Gorilla Glue is made to fix glass. So I fixed the bottom of the glass and I got this fabric glued around it, but I am still having severe complications with getting the glue to come out. So my glue is still giving me the hardest time in the world trying to get it out. So I'm still trying to make the mountains of glue go around before I go outside and spray paint it gold. But this glue is not cooperating. This hot glue gun, it's acting real shysty today with me. So it's probably about time to buy a new one, because I guess it get clogged up and some glue is somewhere in here where it's not allowing me to push it all the way down like I should be able to. So if you guys can see, I'm barely getting the glue to come out, but I'm wanting it to spurt out really good. So basically the next step is, once I get all the glue around here like I want it, the part that I don't want gold, I'm going to cover it with shrink wrap, and then I'm going to go outside and spray it gold. And then when it dries, I'll bring you guys back. But I'm having, you guys say, the worst time ever. If you guys see, I'm barely getting this glue to come out. And this is not how it's supposed to go. So if you guys seen live, the glass broke. Now I'm trying to get the glue to do what I needed to do. And I'm having very difficult times doing that. So when you guys do it, make sure you got a good hot glue gun. Because if you guys see, I'm having a very difficult time getting my glue to come out. So that's what I'm still trying to do. So I'm also, that ribbon I put around, I'm going to spray that gold as well, guys. And then I'm put some more ribbon stuff around it, because that's what's holding it together after I sprayed it. It's holding it together. So that's all I'm trying to do, is to get enough and have it going around. So I have a miniature hot glue gun, so I might have to go upstairs and get that one and turn that one on to make this project look a lot better, because I'm having a difficult time, guys. Very difficult. I think that, yeah, my hot glue gun has did its course. So I'm going to go get the miniature one and I'll be back. Hey guys, this is what it looked like. And I put the shrink wrap around at the bottom. I'm going to go outside and spray it and I'll come back in. Hey guys, this is what I got so far. I need more flowers. I need more things. So just imagine, come from a broken vase to this is what I have so far. And I got to get more flowers because I have to space them out to just make it look like this. So I need to purchase more flowers and put it in there. But you see how the hot glue came around there? Alrighty, bye-bye. Okay, guys, if anybody want to do this project, what I realized I did wrong after going back and looking at the lady that do these, she actually took little rock stones and glued them to the vase, then spray painted it, not just the hot glue. So if anybody tried this project, you're supposed to take the little stones, glue it to the vase, then spray paint it. I thought that the glue was in little rock shapes. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.